people, my friends. Stand one line. Stand one line. Stand one line. Hold the camera, please. Quickly.
प्रोजेक्टर मत हलाना, वहाँ पर बस खड़े हो।
Okay? Stand one line. Put all down. Put all down.
सब कुछ आपके हाथ में जो भी है नीचे रखो।
Put your money down. Why so many people? I only want a few people. I'm not giving money here. Okay? Left hand here. Left hand. Left hand. Madam, the one put down. Just stand like this, left hand like this and like this, please. Or listen to my instruction. Let's do it fast.
आपको सबको समझ में आ रहा है? आप मेरी आवाज की तरफ ध्यान दो। सर आप बैठ जाइए। आप बैठ जाइए। Okay?
Put everything down. Listen to me. Put everything down.
ये किसका है? नहीं देना नहीं है। आप बैठ जाइए। ओके, आपको हाथ पैसा लेफ्ट हैंड में लेना है।
No, no, no. All down. Empty-handed.
एवरीथिंग सब कुछ अपना हाथ सब खाली करो।
Put like this.
आपको हाथ सीधा करना है।
Left hand here.
लेफ्ट हैंड आपके किडनी पे।
Right hand straight.
क्लीन में रखना है।
Okay? Stop me. Very good. Hold the money now. Ladies, one finger. Stop it. Stop me. Don't go down. Stop
आपका
me.
हाथ खाली है।
Madam, stop me, madam. My hand going down. Stop
आप
me.
एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं आपको बिल्कुल
Stop me. Very good. Hold the money.
एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग
Hold the money left hand.
अभी पैसा हाथ में रखो।
Stop me, sir. Good. Hold the money.
एकदम हाथ स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना, नीचे नहीं आने देना अपना हाथ।
Empty-handed. Okay? Stop me. Man. Stop me.
पकड़ो।
Stop
नीचे
me.
नहीं आने देना।
Stop me.
एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग रखो।
Hey. Stop me.
बॉडी पे
Good. Hold the money. Are you holding anything there? Hold the money. Hold the money. Get the money. Hold. Okay. Up. Straight.
हाथ सीधा रखना,
Stop
नीचे
me.
नहीं आने देना।
Good. Yes. That hand. That hand. That hand. Okay. Stop me.
अभी पैसा पकड़ना
Hold the money. Hold the money. Camera woman. Please follow me. Mr. Camera. Camera. Follow me. That's not a big picture. Yeah.
उधर से अच्छा दिख रहा था।
Okay. Not one mile away, madam. Okay, stop me. Okay, hold the money.
एकदम
Hold the
बॉडी
money.
पे हाथ नीचे नहीं आना चाहिए।
No, you must make strong. Don't go down.
हाथ नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए।
Good. Hold the money. There.
हाथ
Hold.
स्ट्रॉन्ग, बॉडी बिल्डर। बॉडी बिल्डर।
See, cannot understand.
हाथ खाली नहीं जाना पाहिजे। एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग ठेवा। अरे
Too much of acid in the body.
Not listening to commands too much.
That's not better.
पैसा काढा हातातून। No, no, no. He is holding the money in the hand.
It's so difficult for people. Stop me.
See?
Very good. Hold the money now.
आता पैसे हाथ में।
Hold the money. Put hand. Put hand. Okay.
अभी लेफ्ट हैंड में आपके सबके पास पैसा है।
Okay.
लेफ्ट हैंड में रखना है और अपने यहाँ पर रखना है।
Now they're holding the money. Okay? Oh. Cannot. Money don't like you.
मनी के साथ उसकी एनर्जी, प्रतिकार शक्ति जो है,
See.
प्रतिरोध शक्ति वो कम
Go
होती
straight.
है।
Straight. See. Understand?
मनी के साथ
See.
में
Yes. No, madam, you see.
Energy down.
I put one finger, the hand come down. He doesn't like money, or money don't like him. You think money like you all?
मनी आपको पसंद करता है और आप भी मनी भी आपको पसंद नहीं करता, आप भी मनी को
My country,
मेरे
I think 10 Chinese, all Chinese pass.
मेरे कंट्री में जो चाइनीज लोग
All Indian fail.
वो लोग 100% स्ट्रॉन्ग रहते हैं और जब चाइनीज में पैसों के साथ रिलेशन बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। यहाँ पर इंडियन जो होते
All
हैं
Indian fail.
सारे इंडियन फेल हो जाते हैं।
Too much of puja.
बहुत सारी पूजा करते हैं,
Close eyes
आंखें बंद करके बैठे
and meditate.
और मेडिटेट करते
Money going to pour down.
हैं। पैसे वहाँ से ऊपर से आने वाला है
Pray to all the wrong babas.
और गलत बाबाओं के साथ में हम लोग प्रार्थना करते हैं
Papa take your money. Papa no give money.
और पैसे देते हैं हम लोग, पैसे लेते नहीं हैं।
Which Papa give money, madam? Which Papa give money?
और कौन से बाबा
Some more, some more, some more. I'm going to big ashram.
और
Come.
वो आपसे पैसे लेते हैं बाबा
You know how many Indians sell the house to give the Baba money?
और कितने लोग हैं अपना घर बाहर बेच के लोगों के
One man in Andhra Pradesh,
आंध्र प्रदेश में
200 acres of land.
200 एकड़ जमीन दी थी
Half
आधा
he want to give to Tirupati.
आधी तिरुपति जी को दी थी,
Another half
आधा
was Sridi Baba.
शिरडी बाबा, शिरडी साहिब।
God going to have a good land?
और वो लोग आपके लिए लक क्रिएट करेंगे क्या?
200 acres.
200 एकड़
If you cut the land,
अगर जमीन को कट करते हैं
half acres,
आधा आधा करके,
the poor people, how happy they will be.
गरीब लोगों
How much they're blessed.
वो कितने खुश रहते थे, वो कितने आपको दुआ देते थे.
Understand, madam? You single mother, come, stay here. You do whatever you like. You want to do farming, you want to give the cow, you want to make a house, you give. How many they can give?
जिनकी शादी नहीं हुई है, टूट चुकी है और ऐसे सिंगल मदर है जिनके पास बच्चा है, अगर उनको अगर ये जमीन देते थे और वो वहाँ पर खेती करते थे या जो भी अपना उपजाऊ करना करते करके वो कितना
See this one. One finger and come down.
पैसों के साथ संबंध आपका
Okay.
बहुत वीक है.
Put the money here.
पैसा यहाँ पर रखो.
Put the money here. Open. Don't trust money like this. You have no respect for your money. What respect, man? 5 rupees you do like this. Where's the respect? Where's the respect? Money, man, 5 rupees. Biggest Indian currency. You follow this. No. Keep nicely. Respect your money, my friend. Understand, madam? Don't. No way. You have no respect for money, madam. Understand? Keep nicely, bhaiya. Keep nicely. Money. Understand, my friend? Huh? Okay, this money, put here. Okay? You read.
आप पढ़ो इसको क्या लिखा है इस पे.
मेरा धन दिव्य अग्नि का धन है।
मेरा धन दिव्य अग्नि का धन है. जोर से पढ़ना.
हमारे परिवार का धन दिव्य अग्नि का धन है। हमारी कंपनी का धन दिव्य अग्नि का धन है।
Company money.
हमारे
My money.
हमारे देश की मुद्रा दिव्य
My
अग्नि
country's
की
money.
मुद्रा है। हमारे विश्व की मुद्राएं दिव्य अग्नि की मुद्राएं है। मुझे प्रतिदिन प्राप्त होने वाले समस्त धन का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। धन्यवाद धन्यवाद धन्यवाद।
Okay, take your money.
अभी वो पैसा अपने हाथ में रखो.
Put here now. Hey! Straight. Put straight. Put here now. Put here. Hands up, please.
हाथ सीधा रखो.
Stop me. See, bhaiya, respect money.
पैसों की आदर करना है, पैसों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी है.
Indian people don't respect money, madam.
भारतीय पैसों को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते.
Understand?
समझते हैं?
You think it's not important? God is important. I want moksha, moksha, moksha.
हमें
Give
मोक्ष
all the
चाहिए,
money for moksha.
but पैसे नहीं चाहिए.
Give all the money to all the wrong things.
हम लोग पैसों को गलत सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं.
If only you don't give money for temples,
हम लोग पैसों को मंदिर में देते हैं.
you give for poor people, there will be no poor people in India.
अगर सब गरीब लोग को देते तो पूरे देश में गरीबी नहीं रहेगी.
Yes or not, madam?
सही है ना?
See. See. Good. Come on, stop me. Good. Take your money. Take that money. Rub this money. Hey!
वो
You open. Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him.
त्याच्या
Hey,
पैशाला
you take your money. Hey.
त्यांच्या पैशाला हे
तो रब-
करतो.
Rub the money. You don't rub. He rub.
अरे बोला
You take the money to him. Yeah, you are okay. Funny people.
Acid.
I'm telling you, madam, they cannot comprehend what to do.
This good dialogue you have got now. Acid is there.
Understand, madam, I'm telling you. Give back to him.
Sir, language barrier.
No such thing there.
सिर्फ
Learn
500
that.
रुपये
What I'm talking to you, listen. You must see and listen. You must see and do.
तुझे पैशानं सगळ्यांना द्यायचं काय?
Hands up, please. This way. This way. Stop me. Good. See. Stop. No, that money and then this money.
वो पैसे नहीं,
Come
इस
here.
पैसे को
Wait.
energize
You hold. You hold. Hands up, please. Hey, hey, don't touch the money. Hey, put it.
जितना बोला जा रहा है उतना ही
You
करिए.
put the money first. You touch already. Still very still. Touch, money becomes strong. You see, touch, money becomes strong already. That's all. Don't touch, money becomes strong. I want to show you.
हमको
Understand?
दिखाना है कि
Okay?
पहले
You wait.
पैसा कैसा आपके साथ संबंध है और फिर
Put the money here.
हील वाला जो पैसा है वो
Hands up, please. Okay, see, huh?
अभी
See,
देखिए.
see, come down. Come here.
उसमें
One finger and come down. That's all. Now take the money, rub now.
अभी वो पैसों को रब करना है.
Rub. You don't rub, let him rub. You rub. So money transfer from here to here to here. And give back to him. You hold that. Hands up, please.
हाथ सीधा रखना है.
Stop me. See. Stop. Understand my God?
उसका
See how the money can transfer. You must change. Okay, if you can, come. Tell government, change this picture.
वो कह रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट
Everyone should sign and that proposal has to be there now.
He's a good man.
वो अच्छा इंसान है.
He's a very good man.
बहुत अच्छा इंसान
But
है.
he don't want money.
पर उसके पास खुद के पास पैसा नहीं है.
He don't want anything. Did I say something wrong, madam?
उसकी फोटो हमने पैसों पे लगाई.
Did I say something wrong? Did I say something wrong, madam?
हमने कुछ
He
गलत
didn't want anything.
कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Take.
पाकिस्तान ले लो.
Take what you want. Take whatever you want. So he's that kind of person. What is that? He's that kind of person. Madam, did I say something wrong, madam? He's a good man, but not money man. He's not a money man, sir. He's a very giving everything.
वो अच्छा
He
इंसान
don't want to
है.
buy a clothes. He only got a spectacle and one dhoti, and he make himself a dhoti. Didn't even buy. How the money going to come to your country?
Sir, but he was very lucky man.
What's that?
उसको जेल भी आगा खान पैलेस था.
He said that he was a lucky person. He had a jail of Aga Khan Palace.
He was put in jail in Aga Khan Palace.
That jail was Aga Khan palace.
But that is the depiction on the road.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Change this picture. All is very, very old fort.
Very old.
Bring new thing, put satellite,
Okay.
put offshore, put money, put plantation, money coming in the country. Life. All money is all old buildings. Or no use already.
वो क्या बोल रहे हैं important नहीं है.
See,
इसके पीछे का तत्व
where's the $50? What money is here? What building is here?
Sun Temple.
Anyone staying there? Anyone praying there? Zero.
It's a
What do you
landmark.
think for country to go up? Something big go up. You understand? Money must come inside. Money is there, money comes inside. You understand? So you must ask the government to change this thing from sir. He's a good man. He's a great man. All world know him.
मोदी का फोटो लगा.
On UK pound.
मोदी का फोटो लगा क्या?
Prime Minister.
No. Don't need put picture of man.
आपका रिलेशन है.
Somebody else, some nice picture of money coming to the country. Understand? Money must flow. This
On dollars.
Nobody has passed. You know the old money passed. The old money passed. Old money got offshore platform.
इसके पहले का जो पैसा था ना वो बहुत जल्दी पास हो जाता था क्योंकि उसकी जो ऊर्जा
Not picture of Gandhi.
बहुत अच्छी थी. उसमें गांधी
One more farming, all farming, who's the farmer? That money passed.
वो किसान का जो फोटो था ना उसकी
That
ऊर्जा
money
हमारे
passed.
सामने बहुत
Yeah,
अच्छी
we
थी.
were having that.
Yeah, go to the money coming inside. Work hard, farmers, land. That thing coming inside very well.
पर अभी तो मनी है ही नहीं. जीप पे ATM नहीं चलता है. तत्व तो
Paytm is fine. That's fine. But still, currency is still the money, madam. Okay? Where's yours?
Sir, do you mean to say in China they are having the other
Don't get
picture?
into the
Madam.
examples.
China abolished religion.
China abolished?
No in China.
There's no religion in China.
Oh.
Don't set into the examples. Just get what he's trying to say, what is your benefit, and take that.
China removed religion. Everything there, everything. This also come from China.
Sir, this symbol is good.
Hmm?
This symbol is good.
What is this?
This symbol is good.
You can try and see, madam. Okay, guys? See yours, sir? Put yours. Put here. Up. Put here. Put here. Okay? Check it out. Put here. This is energized. Don't throw this calendar away. Cut and keep it in the house.
ये कैलेंडर आपको यूज होने का उसको फेंकना नहीं है.
Yes, madam.
ये आपके
No, we have an envelope for that.
हमको इसमें स्पेशल
Envelope for that. Okay, I'll show you. What we have is an envelope.
हमने इसका एक एनवेलप बनाया हुआ है.
See, I keep all my money here
और मेरा पूरा पैसा जो है मैं इसमें रखता हूँ
and I spend the money through here.
और इसमें से मैं पैसे निकाल
All the
के
currency here. But in the envelope is stuff, okay? Even the coins I put here, huh?
जो मैं पैसा इसमें से खर्चा करता हूँ, ये पैसा जिसके पास जाता है वो वर्कर पे जाता है
And after spending, let this money go out.
और जहाँ पर पैसा जाता है
Sir, put your money here. And sir, please, help me. Okay? Take this money, rub that money. Give the money back to me. Now try. Understand?
So from the calendar page you can transfer.
Yes, madam. This you can carry on. You can carry calendar everywhere you go.
So the last time the calendar.
Okay? Now, you put the money inside. Close it down. Take the money, madam.
She was
Put
already
it down.
energized, no? आपको पहले से था positive. पहले से positive था।
Right? Don't fall on people's legs.
आप किसी के पैर में मत झुकिए
Fall on your mother's legs.
सिर्फ अपनी माँ के पैर के नीचे झुकिए
Rule number one, huh? Fall on your mother's legs. She brought you this world.
आपकी माँ ने आपको इस दुनिया में लेके आया
No, these are very common. Everybody fall on the leg.
और सभी लोगों के पैर पे झुकना नहीं
Touch some money. Put back, give it back. Put here. Good? Exactly. So get this envelope and spend the money from here. Give everybody. Let the money go to everybody's money inside. And hopefully the money will be energized. That's what you ask for. Every country, India is a lot of different currency. Because guys, anywhere in the world you go, you can't use this currency. This currency is useless in many countries.
ये पैसा जो है कई कंट्री में चल रहा
Not
है
in South
कोई फायदा
Africa,
नहीं
not in South America,
कोई
India, Singapore, yes. But Philippines, nothing. They don't want.
इसका कागज की वैल्यू कुछ भी नहीं है जब आप इस देश के बाहर चले जाओ
What money they want?
उनको क्या चाहिए उनको डॉलर चाहिए
Everything. Dollar.
हर एक जन को डॉलर चाहिए
That's what I'm saying. So please, let your money be very strong.
आपके पैसों को इतनी ताकत दीजिए कि वो अपने आप में स्ट्रांग हो जाए
Okay, guys? Go for lunch.
आप लंच कर लीजिए कितनी देर होते हैं
What can I do?
ऑलरेडी ऊपर है